Hey YouTube, how you doing? Got a UNI filter. We're gonna prep it today and get it all ready to put on the TrailMaster. So it's a 1 3/4 inch inside diameter by 4 inch, I guess, outside diameter, and it's about 2 inches long, I think. Alright, I've got my kit that we're going to use. UNI foam oil. The kit came with the cleaner also, but we're just using the oil for right now. I'm going to open up. Got the directions. It says it must be oiled before use for proper filtration. So, and it looks like it came with 2 more cool stickers and the warning about not for sale in California. Poor suckers. I'm sorry. Those poor fellows out there losing their freedoms every day. Let's see, we've got the filter. It's 2 pieces, so we're going to take the outside piece off. So that now you have the 2 pieces to the 2-stage UNI filter. So we've got those here. Per the directions on the oil, it says hold can approximately 12 inches from the filter and spray both the inner and outer surfaces thoroughly. Let stand for 3 to 5 minutes and then massage oil into foam. Repeat process if necessary to ensure 100% coverage. Alright. So, give it a couple shakes. And we'll give it a couple squirts. Just doing short bursts, cover the whole filter. I'm going to let it sit there for 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll go ahead and do this one. We'll let those 2 pieces sit there. That should be plenty. We'll rub it all in about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we should be good to go. Alright, so it's been at least a good 3 to 5 minutes, so we're going to go through and rub all that oil into the filter real good, and just make sure it's all spread through the foam. See if there's any place we think we might need a little bit more. We'll just give it a touch-up spray. And get it all rubbed in. Alright, that one should be about ready. rub this in real good. Hit it with just a little bit more. Alright, hit it with just a little bit more and rub it all in. I think we're good. Slide it back together. Slowly pull that on there and work it back. Alright, so we got it all good to go. We're going to go get it bolted up, get it attached to the new intake. Alright, hey guys, got the filter all attached to the intake, got everything reattached, carburetors all put back in, just went ahead and cleaned it out,